Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today I'm going to show you a method in which you can actually find inverse of any given function, but by just following these particular steps. Okay, and for this particular video I have just taken few of the most trickiest ones, functions for which finding inverse might get a bit tricky. Okay, so let's first begin. This one is easy, but since it's the first one, I wanted an easy one. So the question is, put first step is what? Put y in place of what? F of x. So this is like this. Then the next step is what? Swap x and y. So we have x is equals to 2y plus 1. Then is what? Make y the subject. Now this is interesting because this is very much the step where a lot of my students make a mistake. So here we need to make sure that on this side of equal to you just have a y. So this plus 1 will shift on this side, will become minus 1. And there's 2y. It was 2y. So basically 2 was getting multiplied by y. So everywhere we'll divide by 2. Okay, so now just put f inverse in place of y. So now your final answer is nothing but what? F inverse of x is equals to x minus 1 upon 2. So this is the inverse of the function given. Okay, now very quickly look at something like this. So there is a square root which is happening over here, and we need to find the f inverse. Okay, so here what we do is, again we'll do what? Y is equals to square root of 3x, then swap, so will become what? X is equals to square root of 3y. Let's make y the subject, so we'll first remove the square roots. So squaring both sides, we'll get something like this. We want to remove this 3 from this side, so your final thing will now become what? X square upon 3 is equals to y. Therefore I can say that f inverse of x is nothing but what? X square upon 3. Okay, I hope this is now making more sense. Okay, so students, please go ahead and like the button, if hit the like button if you like the way I'm explaining. And also don't forget, at the end I'm going to put up a DIY question whose answers you all can mention in the comment section. Now let's look at something which has a log. Again we'll make this what? Y log of 5x. Let's change, or rather swap. So now we have what? Log of 5y. Now in order to make y the subject, we need to shift this log on this side. So please understand, a is equals to log b. Then if you want to shift this, we got what? E raised to a is equals to b. Okay, so here we'll have what? E raised to x is equals to 5y. Again I just want a y on this side, so y will be nothing but what? E raised to x upon 5, and this is nothing but your f inverse. Okay, so I hope now this is making more sense to everyone. Now coming to your DIY, I want you all to tell me what will be the f inverse of 3x minus 10. Do let me know your answers in the comment section. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.